Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? So, marami na naman talaga magpaparamdam ngayon ng mga buhay na multo. Oh my God. So, ayan na naman, no? So, maaaring ginost ka na nitong taong to in the past. And ayan, makikipag-usap siya sa'yo, nagkaroon ng conflict. Maaaring iniyakan mo pa itong taong to. So, tingnan nga natin to. We have here the 5 of Cups. Or maaaring siya itong energy na ito na devastated ek-ek. And we have here the Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, 5 of Wands. So, nagkaroon kasi kayo ng conflict, pagtatalo noon, Ace of Swords, 4 of Wands, and 5 of Pentacles. So, ginost ka niya eh. Pero ngayon, makikipag-usap siya ulit sa'yo, magpaparamdam ang multong buhay, Ace of Pentacles. So, parang ayan, we have here the Queen of Cups sa bottom card. Gusto niya magkita or mag-usap kayong dalawa. Parang connected to dun sa reading natin last. So, tingnan natin. Paparamdam siya eh. Maaring... we have here the waterfalls and shoes. Mga multong buhay. ng ghost, na wala, na parang bula, and then magpaparamdam ulit. So, we have here the light bulb, waiting shed. Maaring hinihintay mo rin tong taong to eh. Naghihintay ka ng reply. Ayan. The key, light bulb, open book pa daw. Ayan. So, syempre, it's up to you na kung anong decision mo dito. So, tingnan natin dito sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. The timing just wasn't right for us. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I want to be more than friends. I wish I could take back my words. I love you unconditionally. I couldn't let you get close to me. We both know I'm not the one for you. So, ang dami niyang drama sa buhay dito. I want you. Ayan. So, bottom card natin, I know I messed up everything. So, ayun, alam naman pala niya na kasalanan niya to. So, tingnan natin. More messages sa ating tarot messages oracle cards. Can you forgive me? So, yan, humingi siya ng tawad ngayon. Dahil siguro sa pang-ghost niya, na wala siyang parang bula. You complete me. You're my happy pill. Tired and need rest. Can't decide. I'm a liar. Yun. Caught in the middle. So, niligay ka pa niya sa third party scenario. You're my inspiration and I have fear and anxiety. So, maaaring natatakot din siya na kausapin ka ngayon. So, tingnan natin to sa initials. K and C. K, C. P, D, X, Z, I, and B. Bottom card, N. So, tingnan natin sa ating blue card. We have here family, understanding, and another, separation. So, tingnan natin, ano ang message ng ating archangels sa reading na to? Oops. So we have here Uy. All is well by Archangel Jeremiel. Everything is how everything is happening exactly as it's supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. So all is well daw, ayan, parang reassurance na parang nagsisisi daw talaga itong taong ito, ayan, sa mga ginawa niya sa'yo in the past. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Sa ating general signs and the messages, we have here Sagittarius, June, need more signs. Okay, so kailangan daw madami. We have here Sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, shy at first, November. Wands is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, private person, Hilarious, South PH, fire sign again, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, long distance and cold city, amazing, Libra, responsible, travel, Cancer sign, attractive, divine feminine, emotional, runner card, lake, September, weird. Oh, yung marami talagang ano ng September ha. Coming month, Burr month, beach, soon, animal lover, perfect smile, Scorpio, good heart, number 2, 8 and confusing, intelligent, full of charisma, number 10. Uy, ending na ng mga karmic cycles daw. Number 10 is ending. Ayan, katapusan, karmic relationship. So, kung nagkaroon man siya ng partner in the past, na dahilan kung bakit kanya ginost or dahilan kung bakit nawala siyang parang bula. So, wala na sila nung taong yun. Ngayon, ini-stalk ka niya. Okay, so yan ang ating reading, my beautiful soul. So, thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.